What's up, everybody? Back to my YouTube channel. I'm kind of new to it, but not really new to it. I haven't done it in a while, but today I'm gonna do a cook with me, and I have my son right here, little guy, helping me do it. He didn't want to do it, but I'm forcing him, and my other son is back there. He ain't want to do it either, but all right, whatever. So we're gonna try the chicken wing and the Dorito mixture. We never did it before. It's gonna be something, new to try. Let me go and check the oil and see if it's already boiling so we can start. Okay, so I checked it. There was only a little bit of oil in it because I sent my son to do it, and obviously he didn't do it. He put a tiny bit, but you have to put a lot because we're gonna actually deep fry them, if you want to call it that or whatever. But yeah, like I said, we have the whole pack of chicken. Right now I have it inside there being cleaned. It has vinegar and lemon juice. Is getting clean right now. And then we have the Doritos. I opened it up to give one to the baby, and then everybody else started digging in it, so it's halfway now. And then we have 3 eggs inside here, and then we have some seasoning. And this is not the only seasoning I'm gonna use. This is just the seasoning that I just took out. I'm gonna use something else, but then we have we have flour inside here, and it has garlic powder and salt. It has 2 teaspoons of both of them inside here. And then we have over here our butter. We have the butter. And then we have all these extra pans and pots that we're going to mix everything with. They're empty, they're clean. And yeah, we're going to start it now. This is my first time doing it. I just looked up the instructions like real quick, like you just glanced through it and then did it. I know I'm missing like 2 or 3 ingredients. Oh well, we don't have it. We're not getting it. I'm not going back outside. The rice is already actually done. I cooked it before. I cooked all this stuff, and the oil was heating up. So yeah, let's start this. So in here, I'm gonna let him crack the eggs, and we're gonna put the eggs in this. Crack the eggs. Damn nail. My nail broke. That's the second one. Ain't the second time. I'm putting those shells in there. Just put it over here. So yeah, while he's doing that, I'm just gonna say that today was a very productive day. I went and I took my little son. He's only 2 years old. He just turned 2 March 17th. I took him to his doctor's appointment. He has a well checkup, whatever they call that stuff, and he got 1 shot and some blood work. Then I went to my best friend's house. But other than that, I ain't do nothing else. And now I'm cooking dinner so that we could be able to eat. Okay, he cracked it. Go wash your hands. So he bumped the table and the whole fell phone. Alright, let me just take out these 2 pieces of shells that he left in here, that he threw in here. Alright, so then he's going to mix it up. Here. That's the baby back there crying. Excuse me. He want to be out here, but he's too loud, so I'd rather have him crying back there than over here. We might need another pack of, give me 1 more egg. Maybe we need 1 more egg. And throw this out while you at it. Thank you. So yeah, we're going to wait until he comes back, but it's already battered. He's crying back there with his big brother. His big brother don't let him out because I told him to keep him in there while I do the video, and now he's calling me. But yeah, my nails have to be done, and this one just fell off right now, and then, yeah, they need to be done. I'm going to get them done soon. If you guys don't know me, my name is Jocelyn. They call me Una. Whatever you want to call me, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, I'll crack this one so no shells will get in there. Alright, let's mix it up one more time. Stop moving the table. Sit your ass down. Alright, so I'm going to throw out the vinegar and all the stuff that's in here so that I can start mixing everything up. Emmanuel, throw the doritos inside the big pan. The empty pan.
How many?
The whole thing. Yes, my hands are clean. I cleaned them way before when I started doing that. He put the Doritos in here. He didn't do it on video. He did it all the way over there. I don't know why. But I'm showing you it's in here. And we're going to crush them. I'm going to move this. And we're going to crush them. Because we need them to be... Damn, this one is coming off. So all my nails are coming off. It's ready to get done. We're going to crush them. And so it's like... Basically like a little bit like... dust or whatever. So I don't know how this is supposed to stick, but they said this is how you make it. And I should have watched a video on how to make it first before I did it. I just read the instructions of what to buy, the ingredients of what to buy, and then I'm like, okay, I think I know how to make it, but I really don't know how to make it. So I hope it comes out good. Okay. I want to make sure everything is crushed and not, you know, chunks of anything. You see how it looks?
Oh, water.
Yeah, bring me some water also. Alright, so I'm going to show you how it looks. So it looks like this. I think I could do a little bit more shredding, but I'm gonna use this. Thank you. Okay, now it's looking like the way I want it. Kind of. Every time I get time to give me water, he gives me halfway full. He never fills it up to the top. I don't know why. And I be so dehydrated and he brings me back a little bit. But it's the thought that counts, right? Beggars can't be choosers, huh? Alright, so we did that. Sorry, I have a cold. A really bad one. Oh, look what happened to the Now I have to wash my hands because the ink got out for some reason and I don't want to...
Poison food.
Yeah, poison the food. Alright, so now I think we gotta put it in the eggs first. We definitely gotta put it in the eggs. But first I'm gonna we're gonna take a meat one by one. Let me bring a plate. We're gonna take a meat one by one and we're gonna put some seasoning on it, right? So we don't have to do it one by one, but yeah. This is his plate right here. Let me move over. Scoot over. Move the whole seat. Stop moving the table. That's his plate, and this is my plate. Let's move the cup. Alright, so grab a pack, open it up. Make sure everything's at the bottom, open it up. And spread it on the meat. Don't spread it on the table, spread it on the meat. Okay. So once again, this is this ingredient. And we're trying to cook chicken, let's say Dorito chicken, whatever. So yeah, we put that on there, and I'm going to get my other ingredient, even though this has ingredients in it. But I'm going to get my other ingredient. I have adobo, but I like this kind too, because it's all purpose. So we're going to use this kind. But I have all the adobos, the green one, the blue one, the orange one. I have them all. The most thing that I like is seasoning. You have to season your food well. Because if not, it's going to be nasty. Alright, now we're going to mix it all up. All the ingredients, all up. Make sure it's not white anymore. Make sure it's colored in like this. Like the seasoning is spread very well. Okay. Make sure everything is colored and not white. Alright, and then from there, we put it in this mixture, the egg mixture. So you put one egg like this, back and forth, and then it goes, I guess then it goes in the flour.
How many times you gotta mix it?
And then we put it back in the egg, put in the flour. Put it back in the egg, and then we put it in the Dorito mixture, which is right here. Okay, I think that's how it's done. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on this, but it doesn't even look bad. Like, look, it doesn't look bad. It looks good. Do the next one. It doesn't look bad, buddy. It doesn't look bad. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. I'm going to go throw them in the thing real quick. The oven. Okay, so it goes in the egg first. Boom. Then the flour. Then the egg again. Coat it very well. Make sure you coat it with the egg very, very good. And then you throw it inside the Dorito batch. And you make sure the Doritos stick to the egg, to the chicken properly. You pat it down if you have to. Because sometimes it won't just stick. You have to force it to stick, right? So then it looks like this. So good. I could already smell it. Woohoo! Smells good. We're not gonna, I don't think I'm gonna make the whole batch. I think I'm gonna make just a few. Okay. Eggs. Flour. Eggs again. And then Dorito mix. Just put it on the side of the plate. Yes, it gets messy. My table is getting messier as we go. The hands get messy. It stays stuck to your fingers. So if you don't like, if you're a neat freak and you don't like messes, this is not a meal for you to cook because it gets messy. I'm going to do one more and then I'm going to take you to see how they look. And take you to see the kitchen. I mean, not the kitchen, the rice. I wouldn't do a house tour because this house is not good. But we're planning on moving soon, so I'll show you that house when we move. I'll do a house tour then.
They're not gonna stop. No.
Once again, if y'all don't like messiness, do not make this meal because it gets messy. To be honest, I don't know what the butter was for, but I think I was supposed to mix it with something. I guess next time I'll make it a different way. But, yeah, I'm going to go take y'all. See, this is the mess that it's creating. You see? So if you guys do not want to get your kitchen dirty or do not feel like cleaning up afterwards, do not make this meal. But it's a good meal, I guess. But, yeah, I'm going to take you to the kitchen. I'm going to put away the butter because it was recommended, but I don't know what they need it for. So, yeah, I don't know. So, look how they look. I put this one in first, so I'm going to turn it. Alright, they look good. They look so good. Right? And then I have my famous rice. Sorry. It's rice and beans with
We need more eggs.
yeah, I told you we needed more. So we got the eggs. And we're going to go hand them off to Emmanuel so he could crack them and put them.
It was wash my hand.
He did a few here, so we're going to go drop them off. We're going to go drop them off at the stove. Or maybe we're just going to leave them until those get done because I don't want them to get mixed up. So we're going to we're going to transfer them. We're going to transfer them to a different plate. And then these are the uncooked ones with no with nothing on it. And these are also the uncooked ones where they have Doritos on them. So we're gonna drop this off to get finished. And yeah, we're not gonna do all of them because we're already running out of Doritos and I don't have any more Doritos. So we're gonna do these last, I don't know how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. That's it. Crack that one, that's it. Yeah, we're gonna do these last 5 and then we're done. So let's continue to do this, and then because I want you to see us taste it. So I don't want to end the video just yet. Sit down. Where's the spoon? Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're going to mix this up. And we're going to put the chicken inside the egg. Then it goes in the flour. Come on. And then we put it back in the egg. Get King out of here before he gets in the thing naked. Go back in the room. And then in here. That goes back. Oh no. Yeah, in there. And then it comes out looking like this. So now we have 2 more to do after this one. And then we're done. Then I get to clean up this mess. Yay. Take him to the room, come on.
No more Doritos.
Okay, so this one is going to be, I guess, just flour. Because it's not, stop doing that, you're throwing it on my floor. And you're going to clean it. No more Doritos. No. This one is just going to be a fried chicken because there's no more Doritos. Alright, so we are all done. We are done. So yeah, this is what was left of the Dorito batch. Practically nothing. And this is what was left of the flour and garlic and salt. Practically nothing is going in the garbage. And we have to obviously reload on the eggs. But that's it. We're throwing that out. And that's our hands. All dirty. So now I'm going to transfer. I'm going to transfer these over here. And then check on the ones that are cooking. But first I got to wash my little hands. So yeah, that left my hands red. Hopefully it goes away. But we're checking them once again. Oh, and they're getting burned, so we gotta take them out soon. And I do have it at low fire, so I don't know. So those are the ones that are now almost ready. Hopefully they will heavy up so like that I can eat. We have these rolls that we're gonna eat also. And yeah, I guess this is a long video, so I guess I'm gonna just end it. You saw how I made it. You can try it, you can taste it, and you guys let me know I guess how it tastes, because I'm gonna taste it, but I get it's too long. The video is too long, and I know people's not gonna watch this long video, so I'm gonna end it here so that you guys could watch it, and I'll talk to you later.